Hello guys, welcome back to Becky Cooks. Let's make this yummy moimoi together. So first of all, I'll soak the beans for about 5 minutes and then I'll transfer it into my mixer, and then I'll use the pause button and just pause for a few seconds and it's ready, just to get rid of the back. So I'll just do that for a few minutes and then I'll pour plenty water on it and remove the chaff. Do this several times and change the water at intervals until the water is clear and all the peels are gone or almost gone. So this is it, and I'll let it soak for like 1 hour. Then this is ginger and garlic, this is scotch bonnet pepper, this tatashe and onion. So this tatashe gives it that red nice color that you want for your moimoi. So you want to get rid of the seeds of this tatashe because it's going to make your meal to be bitter. So you want to get rid of the seeds and use only the skin because we need this just for the color and to give it this thickness. So I'm straining it now from the water. And you have to do this to get rid of any sand or any particles that may settle at the bottom of the container. And then just as a guide, I decided to use 4 cups so that I'll be able to gauge the quantity of water I used to blend and let you know. So I used 4 cups of beans and 3 cups of water. So after blending, I added another extra cup to blend without adding any other water. So I used the beans to blend the second set of 1 cup. So this is what I have, and these are the leaves I'll be using. I just bought this for 200 naira for 14 pieces. So this whole moimoi, which is 5 cups in total, gave me 12 wraps of moimoi. But I used 2 pots for it. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be showing you one. I added in oil and my seasoning cubes. I used Knorr, and Knorr was more than the Magister. So I added crayfish now and I'm mixing it. So I dissolved my seasoning cube with hot water and then I poured it in. So this is smoked fish. I deboned it and I'm adding it now into the mixture. I added in little salt, mixed it up, and this is the texture. The texture was a bit thick, so I decided to add very little water, as you can see. So that was all the water and I added a little bit more, and that was all the water I used. So that makes it 3 cups of water to blend 5 cups of beans, and then this very little one you can see me adding, which is not up to half cup. So you have to take that into consideration, considering the texture that you want. So these are the leaves, and I'll just let you watch and see how I fold it. So I'm placing it in the pot now, and this is how I lined it with extra leaf and very little water. Then after lining it, I'm going to add in little water from the corner of the pot. I'll just pour in little water. You will see that very soon. And this is how you'll be adding water at interval, like about 3 intervals, and your moimoi is ready, because it has to steam so the water doesn't get into the moimoi. So I'm adding in another water now. So it's time to make our pap that will go with this moimoi. So this is how it looks like when it's ready. So if you've watched to this extent, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you've not subscribed, and like this video. Leave nice comments in the comment section. Also share with your family and friends. Thank you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. And if you've just subscribed, thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. So it's time to do the testing. Yes. What will you be having this with? Is it pap? Is it gari? Is it coca oats? Is it? Just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.